Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Rust on Xbox. Launch the Xbox store and download Rust, then sign into your profile and verify storage space. Open the game, allow any updates to install, and set controller sensitivity and options. Create or join a server using filters for region and player count, and remember to enable voice or text chat for team coordination while you learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with the Xbox controller layout and the user interface right away. Practice aiming, moving, and interacting with objects in a safe area before engaging other players. Use the radial menu and quick slots to swap tools and weapons smoothly, and check the in-game HUD for health, hunger, and hydration. Adjust HUD scale if needed so vital info is visible during firefights and while building your first base. Prioritize gathering materials and crafting essential gear in your first hour of play. Make a sleeping bag, hatchet, and pickaxe to secure resources, then build a simple stone base with a locked door and a tool cupboard. Learn to raid when you have explosives and better weapons, but early game stealth and avoidance will keep you alive longer. Team up with friends for trade and protection to accelerate progress and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.